In this video, I will show you how to write Python files and how to run them using Visual Studio Code. So the first step is to download and install Python. So let's type Python. Then let's go to this first link. Let's go to Downloads and then we have to click on this button. So we need to save this installer on the computer, but I have already downloaded it, so I will cancel the download and I will use the installer that I downloaded, which is this one. So let's run it. In this window, it is necessary to check this box, so the Python application will be added to the system environment variables. Then we have to click on this button. So we need to keep all these boxes checked, then let's click on Next. Here we need to install Python for all users, so let's check this. And now let's click on Install. Now the installation finished successfully, so let's close this window and let's check that Python is installed correctly. So I will open the command prompt and in this window I will just type Python --version. Then as you can see, Python is installed correctly and this is the version that I have. So now we need to start Visual Studio Code. So let's close this welcome page and we need to install the Python extension. So we need to click on this button and here we have to type Python. So we need to install this extension. It is from Microsoft, so let's install it. So the extension has been installed correctly. Let's close this and let's hide the list of extensions. Now let's create a new Python file. So I will click on File, then Open Folder. And on the desktop, I will just create a folder for my Python file. I will call it py project1. Now let's click on this button. Now inside this folder, I will just create a new Python file. So I will call it main.py. And then inside this file, I will just write some statements. So I will print some text on the console. Now let's save this file. And also to run it, we have just to open the terminal. And in the terminal, we have several options. So we can just type the name of the file. Then if I hit enter, I will obtain this error because with Visual Studio Code, it is necessary to add point and slash at the beginning. So if I hit enter, this time I will obtain this output. Another way to run this file, so I will just modify a little bit this example. And to run this file in another way, I can just click on this button. And this time we have this output. Also, I will just modify this text again. Let's save it and I can run it in another way just by clicking. I can make a right click, then I can click on run current. So I can click on run Python file in terminal. And this is the new output. So this is how we can use Python with Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel.